Well, hi, welcome to another Pat video. I thought I would just again make a very quick video about the alerts. Quite a bit of feedback coming back about how users are using it, which is absolutely great. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight on, open up charts. Haven't looked at these before. This is exactly I'm just going through things, looking at how I would set the alerts up basically, so you can get a better handle on what to do. So I'm just going to, the first thing I do is just click on a line and select it, and I'm just going to drag it down, and this is, I'm just looking for where I might be placing it. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look out, okay, because we've got uptrending market, so I want to be looking at something towards the upside. That's going to be a thing for me. So I'm looking at a bit of a retrace down. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Incidentally, somebody said yesterday, could you use this to the downside? Well, there you go. There's a good example there. If you believe the market's going to continue on down and take the short side against the underlying the prevailing trend, as it were, but still an opportunity. So I'd be looking at this one here. You can see this one here, and that didn't actually come down and do that, and then later on that come down to here. So that one didn't really pan out as in so much that, okay, yes, it gapped down, but then it gapped back up through here. You could, argue that this was a bit of an upturn through here, and then this one came down to that there. But your alerts would have been going all off. It's not clear. It's and it's no good picking these after the event like that. Let's go for the ones that are so easy to pick up. Let's have a look what we got here. Got the JPY. So we're looking on the short side here. So let's have a look. So we're following this down, looking for the short side. You'd set one up here. Market comes up, gives you an alert, doesn't give a jump bar down or continuation, so you're not going to play around with that one at all. You're then going to put one up on this here. You can see the market's come away nicely from here. You're watching this, comes up, and then boom, we get the jump down away. Great, so there's a great indicator there. Would have been alerted you to. Let's have a look here, and another one here, up down here, and then another alert here, so that's great. So JPY there. So plenty of alerts, plenty of opportunities there. Let's just have a quick look. Travel distance, yep, even from there, 90 from there, perfect. So have a look at the GBP, see if anything kicked off on here. Okay, so we've got an uptrend running through here, so we're looking for this retrace back to give us this buying opportunity. First one we get down here, let's have a look. I'm going to again just click this on and have a look here. Okay, so we get this one through here. We'd be alerted down here, then we get the jump bar up through here. I don't like this one as so much, not very clear. I like them to see a much clearer move away, as it were, from there. Now this bar down here, interesting, quite a long spread on that. Let's have a look at the spread. Range is not, range 0.92. Let's get these on here. Oh well, there we go, 90 pips in the one move. I hadn't realised just how much the scale of that without looking at that. And that's the thing of doing this live like that. You don't realise the actual scale of things until you go through. So, wow, what a down move there. That was apparently punched out the stops through there before the market got into its massive rise. And if you ever dealt the market makers method and ever dealt the manipulation of the market, there is a good example for you how the market is in an upward trending market through here. These people are all buying in here, and then this massive single bar down move punches out stops all the way through here, and then the market gets into an up move through there. I'm just going to delete that off on there. Something I would do here is I'd realise that was a stop take through there, and then I'd be marking this up here. This point here. This is pure manipulation running through there. It's obvious of that. I'll be marking this up here and looking for a retrace back to there. And you see we get the retrace back to here. And look at the jump bar out of there as well. So that was the GBP. Quick look at the euro. Keep doing that. Then I enter there. And tile of windows. I don't know why that keeps doing that. That's me clicking away wrong. Okay, so what do we got here? Uptrend. Okay, that's what we're looking for there. So we've got an uptrend running through there. That was a big down move there against that underlying trend. Okay, get rid of that. Let's have a look. Drag up our line. So we're looking for that retrace up now. Certainly when you're down at this area here, because you've got this off here, I'd be quite cautious of any I wouldn't take a trade on there, but I'd certainly be cautious of this. So my first move down looked nice, and there it goes up there. This is where I'd be setting up my alert on here. So I'd be seeing this as the market comes back down through here. I'm looking to trade with the trend, so I'm looking to go for that up move, looking for that jump bar up. Doesn't come, and notice how it pushes through this level. Very, boom, drops right through this level, messes around, then starts coming back up, comes back up to our alert level. It's the importance of people, and you can reactivate that alert if you want. If you leave it on, it will trigger again anyway. And then you can see from here, then the market goes up, probes through again, and then we get the jump bar up again, and then the market carries on up and gets into its underlying trend of up. And that's why I always say it's very important for you to maintain that underlying core of where is that market, where is the trajectory of that market. That will always give you an advantage when you're looking. Okay, so I hope that helps. I'll get this video up for you now, and I'll keep making these alert videos because obviously they seem to be very popular, and people are doing very well with them indeed, with the feedback, which is absolutely superb. So great on that. It's lovely to see students making money consistently. There's nothing better than that. And I'll keep on making them. You keep loving them. They keep helping you. So yeah, let's keep it up on this. Catch up with you very soon.